we give a liberal discount on all cash orders, full stop. The committee treated him in a liberal manner and allowed him a most liberal payment for his services at the liberal club, full stop. On the authority of the representative, we are bound to say that the valuation of the site is a very satisfactory one in view of the yearly valuation which has been made for the last 12 years, full stop. Our national society is very much interested in national affairs and it is desirous of securing the strengthening of our national defense, full stop. The other evening, Major Jones opened a debate on capital punishment and after an interesting discussion in which Captain Dixon, Colonel Beach and Professor Peak took part, we regret to say that a majority voted for its retention, full stop, close.